Good morning, sweetie. Oh, big yawn. Good morning. Hi. Okay, I've been laying in my bassinet this morning for about half an hour and talking to my bears and sneezing. Bless you. Bless you. Goodness, bless you, baby. Oh, yes. I love my bears. Oh, yeah. Well, now you're going to be fussy just because I've got you on the camera? You've been sweet and talking to those bears all morning. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Maybe it's the creepy music that's bothering you. I'm gonna turn it off. That's not it. There. How about some animal noises? Nope. That'll do. Ah. Lily, good morning. You want to sing our morning song? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in our places with sunshiny faces. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Yeah. Silly bears are in my way. Bless you. I think I should turn that light off. Okay, this isn't working.